Hi, let me show you how to transfer contacts from iPhone to Android. So first thing we are gonna do is find those contacts app on iPhone. And now in the list, you need to press and hold all contacts tab like that and choose to export. Then here click done. And after that, you need to export your all contacts to Gmail. So make sure you installed Gmail app on this device. And here, enter your Gmail address. So just enter it, select, and as for a subject, you can just enter contacts like that. And now just hit this send button. And now we need to manage everything else on Android. So on your Android phone, find Gmail app. I'm gonna use my search bar to find it. And now we'll need to find this email which we sent here. So let me just switch to different account. And here we need to find this list of contacts. And yep, here it is. Now select this save button, save icon. Wait a few seconds. Swipe down from your left top corner to find this info download complete. Now you need to tap it and choose to open with contacts. I'm gonna select just once, allow access. And right now we can import those contacts by clicking button import. Here select to save to your phone or any of your Google accounts. For example, I'm gonna pick the same Google account and then click done. And yep, that's basically it. So let's go in contacts app. And yep, all of the contacts are transferred. So we can compare this list with list on iPhone. And basically everything is transferred. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.